Alright, welcome back to Atomic Bytes. We're going to get started looking at how to destroy the boxes that we put in our scene. So I'm going to go ahead and select our box here. This is our box we're wanting to destroy. Make sure you've got it tagged. In this case, I've got it tagged box to collect. And then I'm going to open the script in Visual Studio, and we're going to edit our script to destroy the box object when we collide with it. So we're working in our controller collider hit method down here in the bottom of our collect object script. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a comment in for instructional purposes that this is code that's going to destroy the box. That code does not run, it's simply a comment, so it's not something you need per se. So we're going to start with keyword destroy, and then we've got hit.collider.gameObject. We're going to go ahead and save this, and then we'll head back to Unity and let the script update in the Unity editor, and then go ahead and play the game. Enter play mode, wait for your editor to launch the play mode, and then we'll go ahead and see if our box is destroyed. And here we've loaded the game play mode. We're just gonna pan around and find our box over here to the side, and then we're gonna head over and destroy it. Notice down here in the lower left it says we've collided with our box to collect, so it's telling us we collided. And just kind of panning around, backing up, and showing you that we did indeed destroy the box. It is now gone from the scene menu. So come on back and we'll continue on with this project in the next episode.